For this question, if you are factorizing such x minus 3, x plus 5, then it is wrong. Because if you're using a calculator, okay, your calculator will read 2x squared plus 4x minus 30 as equations. So equation means that your calculator going to do 2x squared plus 4x minus 30 equals to 0. So you will come out as this one. But if you're factorizing 2x squared plus 4x minus 30, you are going to factorize it as expression. Okay, so if you do expressions means that you're going to put 2 here. Why? Because if you're factorizing 2x squared plus 4x minus 30, if you multiply these two, x times x, we're going to get x squared. So to get 2x squared, we need to multiply with 2. Okay, so when we multiply 2 with all the factors we have, we're going to get 2x squared plus 4x minus 30. Okay, so there is 2 there. Then it's going to be 2 here, and the answer is supposed to be 16 over 3.